You wake up and already you're running late for work. You frantically run around getting ready, and when you open your garage door to get in your car, boom, the garage door malfunctions. Your coffee spills all over you, and you're about to go back inside and give up on the day. Instead, let the professionals at Access Garage Doors help you out. We can perform service and repairs on any brand of garage door or opener. We'll respond and arrive quickly when you call to schedule. Our technicians are always on time and show up ready to work. You look down at your phone, and a text message and phone call comes through letting you know your tech is headed to your home. You look out the window, and a tech pulls up in our official uniform, and you're amazed they're already there to work on your garage door. They give you a brochure to look over with all the information you need. After a full 25-point inspection of your garage door, including a safety test, your garage door is back to working like it should. What you liked best about your experience is that your tech diagnosed your problem with honest options, came with all the needed parts on the truck, and your door got our official seal of approval. We also left your space clean and didn't leave any trash on your property. Make that bad day a good one again when something goes wrong with your garage door. Call us the next time you need someone to fix your garage door, and we'll get one of our techs on the job right away. Access, it's what we do.